During daily maintenance, you can easily correct your scraper floor. You should pay attention to some points. The scraper floor bars should lie precisely on the scraper floor. It is this edge here. Also make sure that the scraper floor bars are neither bent down nor up. It is also possible that the scraper floor bars are misaligned in the infeed. In this case, you have to check the drive sprockets and the tension of the chain, but these are disorders which can easily be remedied. This is an AK565, which has just come from the service. All the maintenance operations have been carried out. For customers, it is important not to neglect the daily maintenance work when the machine starts working in the field again. It is important to check the scraper floor tension, which can be read at the spring assembly as illustrated and can be seen here. The scraper floor is deflected by the control rod, the spring assembly and the shaft. This spring assembly must always be flush with the control rod. If something is out of place, it must be tightened, and the scraper floor must be adjusted to the correct tension in order to ensure failure-free operation. Over time, the scraper floor can get over-tensioned as the chain becomes longer after a while. In order to prevent over-tension of the scraper floor, I'll show you what to pay attention to. Now we are under the scraper floor. It is of course important to check the chain tension and to adjust it. But sooner or later the chain will reach its limits, as you can see down here, if you look at the reverse point of the scraper floor bars. If this point disappears in the direction of the housing, the chain has been steered too far. If the chain skips on one side, the scraper floor bars will jam and the machine will come to a standstill. Therefore, this area should always be checked so that you can really ensure trouble-free operation of the AK. Another important part of daily maintenance is the greasing of the machine. For this purpose, we have several central lubrication points here on the AK, which supply the bearings, grease pipes and other assemblies with grease. The amounts of grease can be found in the operator's manual, and the components can be supplied easily.